Bootstrap folder is ready. Now in this folder, you copy and paste some photos from the computer. You can copy and paste some photos over there. Photo we kept. Any photo 1, 2, 3, 4. Now in this folder, when we have learned the CSS, you have an icon folder. Remember icon. External CSS should have an icon folder. Copy and paste here. In external CSS, somewhere you have icon folder. When we have gone through, take that folder. Okay, icon is also ready. In that system, it will not be there. You have to download it. This computer fan is not working. Some else folder. How you use the pen drive? Okay, now come to the getbootstrap.com. Open the website called getbootstrap.com. Getbootstrap.com. Okay, open the website, getbootstrap.com. Okay, website open or on. You will click on this one, docs. Click on docs. Getbootstrap.com. Click on docs. In docs, you have option here called docs or download. There is an option here. Left side there is option called download. Left side you have option called download. Click on that. Then you can click on download source. You will click on download source. Download source. Bootstrap is there. Icon is there. Take note. Okay, so hope you got it. Folder. Copy that folder and paste here. That folder you can copy and paste under the main folder. So hope downloaded for everyone. Extract this folder. Right click, extract all. So this is the folder. Extract that. You will look inside this folder. You have a dist folder, dist. So inside there is a folder called dist. Hmm? Anywhere you extract it. After extracting, go inside. You will have a folder called dist. You copied the folder. Dist folder is inside. Copy that and paste under the main folder here. Dist should be inside. Copy that and paste under the main folder. So dist, icon, photos, all should be one place. Dist, icon, photo, all should be one place. Which abstract option is not there. No, why option? You downloaded the zip folder only, no? Yeah, right click only. You already got this out there. Copy only. Click on this. Copy that. Copy. Go back. Here on the back. Okay, so we got a list folder. We got one icon folder. We got some photos. Okay. So dist is nothing but the main library of Bootstrap. You have CSS and JS both we have inside. CSS files are here inside. These files we require. So many files are there inside. Go to the dist and CSS. Go to the dist and CSS. Go to the dist and CSS. paste and CSS. You found a CSS folder. Inside CSS, so many files are there. No? In that, keep one file, the first file that is called .css, bootstrap.css. Delete others. Other not required. The remaining all delete. Keep one file. Keep bootstrap. Delete remaining all. Bootstrap.css file 233 KB. Not able to find. Under the paste, there is a CSS folder. Under the CSS folder, many files are there. In that file is the bootstrap name. Let it be that. Remaining files you can delete. There should be clear concept. No, yes, this file I am using. If you are using one file, why you will keep 100 files there? Later also you will feel like I need all the files. All file is not required, only one file is required. That is called bootstrap.css. Okay, done. Okay. Now one call I will do somewhere, and after that we'll continue. The person has called. Those people have gone through the training, no, 2 months. For them, one opportunity has come. One company want to hire some 6, 7 React developers. Okay. So 1 month is over for them. Second month is started. Interviews will happen. One interview. Hope there it will click. This will get chance. Okay, sorry. So hope we have made the modification. Under the CSS folder, how many file? One file. Under the CSS folder, only one file. Under the JavaScript, how many you have? Check once. So many are there inside. Okay. In that, we required only one file, bootstrap.min.js. Bootstrap.min.js. Okay. So that file will leave as of now. Which file? JS folder don't touch. The CSS folder we have modified. Now under the our main folder, what is the folder structure? Dist is there, icon is there, plus photos are there. Next, whichever the files we are going to create, all the file will be under this folder only. Which folder? Main folder, where we have icon, dist, and images. So while calling the file, it will not be much difficult. Okay. Dist folder reason to keep outside, reason to keep in main folder. If it is inside also it will work. We can give the path. But while giving the long path, most of the time you will be spelling mistake. Okay. So better than that, keep under the main folder itself. Okay. Even that file is there, no? Bootstrap.css. You can keep here also directly. Our external CSS file. That way also it will work. Okay. But folder structure should be better. Okay. Now here we'll create one file called. We'll create one file here. Give the file name called Bootstrap developer guide. Bootstrap developer guide. Bootstrap developer guide. Okay. Hope ready. Next, after that, open this Bootstrap developer guide page. Okay, Bootstrap developer guide. Come inside. In Bootstrap developer guide, right here, Bootstrap is first framework of first framework of HTML, CSS, JavaScript. or first framework and library. Okay, library once we say, then multiple words will come. Framework of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. One line. Okay, if anyone asks what is the Bootstrap, because the Bootstrap is the first framework of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Even you can write one line, then what is the purpose of that? We are going to write in a line. Then you can write Bootstrap is library, LIB, library of JavaScript. JavaScript. So both the sentence is correct. Okay. So sorry. Library of CSS. Library of CSS. Bootstrap is a library of CSS. So when only one name has come, CSS, then it's called a library. But when CSS came, HTML came, JavaScript came, multiple things combined together, then it becomes a framework. So when the word will come as a framework somewhere, see, using HTML, what you do? You design the layout, input, output. Using CSS, you apply the look and feel. Using JavaScript, you apply the functionality. Now here it's saying like Bootstrap is the first framework of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So when the framework word will come together, framework represent multiple features together. HTML can take care of input output. CSS can take care of look and feel. JavaScript can take care of functionality. Now all combined together, we can deliver some output. Okay, that is called a what? Framework. Okay, when you call it a library, now library using CSS, yes, Bootstrap is ready, but only Bootstrap cannot do anything. Where will apply? If HTML is not there, we cannot apply. So HTML is compulsory to implement the Bootstrap. Okay, coming down right here, it used to design responsive web page. It used to design responsive web page for all type of devices. It used to design responsive web page for all type of devices. Okay, it used to design the responsive web page for all type of devices. Come down. Bootstrap is introduced by Twitter in 2011. In their main file, copyright line is written for Twitter. Bootstrap is introduced by Twitter in 2011. Okay, hope we written. Coming down, next. Next, right here, Bootstrap has a feature called grid system. Bootstrap has a feature called grid system. Bootstrap grid system divided all the device in 6 types according to, or maybe you can write based on screen size. Bootstrap grid system has divided all the devices into 6 types according to, based on screen size, not according to the right here, based on screen size, based on screen width you can say, not size. Width, size meaning height and width both present. Here is a matter of width only. All the devices 6 types based on screen width. Based on screen width. Okay, hope ready. Now come down. So, Bootstrap, what is going to help you? Bootstrap is going to help you to design the page as a responsive page for all type of device, and it will work in all the devices properly. And it has a grid system rule. It has a topic called, or you can say formula for grid system. Based on that grid system, Bootstrap says like all the devices, whichever the device we have, we divide it into how many types? 6 types. One is called extra small, a small, medium, large, extra large, and double extra large. Okay, these many sizes are there. They have some limit on a screen width. If a screen width is still here, then it is called as a extra large. More than this, then it's called as a double extra large. But till here is called as a SN. So we'll make a note. Okay, what we will write is, we will write here call divide. Bootstrap grid system has divided, divided, divided all the device into all devices. D-E-V-I, D-V-I-D-E. I have made divided with 3. Oh, this E you are talking. Okay. Okay. Next, after that, how many types we wrote? We wrote again 6 types. Make a note of that, all 6 types. What are that? One is called extra small. Extra small. Next, we write called as a small. Third, we write for as a medium. Fourth, we write for as a large. Fifth, we write for as a extra large. Sixth, you can write as a double extra large. Double extra large. Okay, hope written. Now let's come right below. On what basis we can say is called extra large or extra small? Okay, so we have some measurement. Screen width. Screen width 0 px to 500. Some number is there. Let me see the number. 550. Some number. Basic grade. 576. 576 px. Okay, so this device will be called a extra small device. Next we have called is screen width is 577. 700 some number is there. What is that number? 768. 768 px will be called a small device. Next, after that, screen width 769. 769 px to 992 px will be called a medium. Next, after that, (993) to 1200 large. 993 px to 1200 px. Okay, not 992, 1200 ones would be here. 1 to 1400. Then in the last case, screen width greater than 1401 px. Tell me. 1 to this will be 1201. 1201 px to 1400 will be extra large, and more than that will be double extra large. Okay, written. Now for each classes, for each group, for extra small, medium, large, double, extra large and all. For each group, there is a 12 class name. 12 class name is a predefined class name. If you want to use your page in the mobile phone, you have to use that class. If you want your page to run in the tab, you have to use that class. So different devices are there. For all the device, there is a different size. Now for each device, we have 12 class names. So it will come somewhere 72. 72 list of the classes will come. 12 per each. Okay, you can write here. The grade system has given 12 classes. For each device, for each category. GRID, grid system has given 12 classes for each category. Now suppose this is called extra small. What is the name of the class? Dot all hyphen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1 to 12. Okay, so how many classes you wrote? 1 to 12. Go ahead next. Okay, next after that, this all we can copy. We can paste the same here and apply inside SM, all hyphen SM everywhere. SM for small, MD for medium, LG for large, XL for extra large. Call hyphen SM hyphen 1 to call hyphen SM hyphen 12. written. Call SM1 to call SM12. We have two more. Next is for MD, medium device. Call MD1 to call MD12. Call MD1 to call MD12. Call MD1 MD1 to MD12. So how many class we got? 36. Next LG, LG, same thing, then copy paste here, change as a LG. Okay, after LG what we have? Excel. On Python, Excel 1 to 12. Hope written. We have one more. Double extra large. Double XL will come. Okay, so hope written. How many classes? 72. 12 into 6. Now how you will remember it? For extra small, what is the class name? Call hyphen SM. So not call hyphen 1. To call hyphen 12 is here. Call hyphen 1 to call hyphen 12. It is especially for mobile phone. Second one we have call hyphen SM to call SM12. The tab. Call MD1 to 12. But many laptop you can say. A small screen size laptop will come. That will work. Even tab also it will work. Large we have that start from 1 to 12. This is for this screen size up to 1200. Then we have for extra large that is 1201 to 14 big size screen. Mostly our screen will come in that. Next after that double extra large means those screen that is more than 1400 and more. So next now how to use these classes we have to see. Okay. If you understand usage of these classes, Bootstrap will be clear. Come down below, write next point. While creating the Bootstrap file, while creating a page within Bootstrap, what we need to follow and how we need to follow. Okay, so you can keep like this. Note, while creating a page using Bootstrap, While creating a page using Bootstrap, while creating a page using the Bootstrap, follow these steps. While creating a page, while creating a page using Bootstrap, follow these steps. What are those? Step number 1. Link to bootstrap.css file in head section. Link to bootstrap.css file in head section. First step. Second step, link to bootstrap.css file in head section. Second step, follow body tag. Body tag. Like we have to open the body tag and we have to close the body tag. Now let's do this much and test the bootstrap file is calling or not. So create a file, grid system.html in main folder, bootstrap main folder. The folder we have created today. In that we'll create a file called grid system.html. Right. So we are creating a file. Create a file called grid system.html under the bootstrap folder. Great. In grid system.html, I think you should first look into your folder. File is there only or somewhere else? File is in the main folder. Grid system only. Okay. Come there. First step says HTML, then call head, next call link, rel equal to style set, href equal to link, rel equal to style set, href equal to style dot, not style dot css. Where is the file? Dest css boot strap dot css. Link rel style set, href equal to dest css bootstrap dot css. Ready? The spelling you can check. BOOTSTRAP.CSS. Follow the body. Open, close. Now come inside. Right one. Under the body itself, you can try class equal to text hyphen danger. Class equal to text hyphen danger. Save now, run the file. Background is coming red color. If background comes red, let me know yes or no. Text hyphen danger. Red? No. BG danger. Not text danger. BG danger. Text danger is for the text color. BG danger is for the background color. Then complete red color. Okay. Next after that. So Bootstrap is linking properly. Anyone whose file is not calling, red background. So working for all. Next, what we'll do? Not working. Problem is two problem. Problem number one, this file have a wrong syntax. Replace that. Check your file is in the same folder. The file should be here. File should be where? Under the main folder. Dist folder and grid system both should be one place. Should not be file on the D drive and dist on the F drive. Both should be one place. If working for all, it will work for you also. Files should be in one folder. Okay, so grid system says you have to follow the link. After calling the link, test once whether it's calling or not. So it's a calling. Next step number 3. Step number 3. Step number 3 says inside body use these classes. Which classes? Container, container hyphen load, container and container load. Container, it has gap from left and right. It has no any gap from any side. It has no any gap from any side. Now go to this file. It has gap, it has no gap from any gap, meaning also margin. Margin left and margin right. So container will take maximum 1100 width. Container will take maximum 1100 width. Container float will take full width 100%. Okay, so come to this file. Create two division. Class equal to container. Write inside some text. Follow a BR. Second one should be container hyphen float. Container and container float. Look ready? Click now. Run this file. More space in the first one. No space, very less space, 8 pixel. That is where under the second one. BG dangerous was written. Let me remove that. BG danger. You know, space is gone from left. Space is gone from the not space. Color is gone. This is container. It has more space. Maximum 1130 something width will be there. And here you have, it is going to cover the how much? Almost full width. 8 pixel may be in the left, 8 pixel may be in the right. Looking similar? Okay. Next, after that, we need to work on that remaining classes. Remaining classes is nothing but your this one, this class. How many? 72. We need sufficient time to understand that. Okay, that will be the tomorrow task. Grid system is the main thing. If you understand this grid system, then Bootstrap you understood. Okay. In different device, we have to use different combinations. Okay. All 6 classes we are going to call for one device. Okay. Like suppose for one division we have to write call one, call MD also, call LG also, call SM also, call XL also, and call double XL also. So now suppose the page will open in mobile phone, the call hyphen class will take. If the a small device will be there, call SM will take. If the medium device, call MD will take. Large means LG will take. Page will be only one, but the different class will take the action according to device. That will keep tomorrow. Half an hour will take to explain it. Okay, so this one. I think hope you remember this 72 classes. Easy to remember, no? Proper series are there. Many it will be reach. It will reach somewhere 150 tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll see the color related, background related, text alignment related classes. So in Bootstrap, you are not going to write your own CSS most of the time. Everything is for margin, padding, for color, for background, for box shadow, text shadow, border, everything is written. Okay, margin left, right, center, auto, all classes are there. Okay. So tomorrow we will log in what time? Same time, 2:30 nearly. 2:30 to 4 will be okay. Last few classes videos I have not uploaded. I'll upload today evening. Today evening, tomorrow evening I'll upload all.